Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to another video. So I really apologize for not uploading a video last week, but then I have been really busy because my brother is come down from Dubai and we are all busy in cooking, cleaning, going out and all that stuff. So I will still be busy till the end of this month, but I still wanted to go ahead and film this video because I did not upload last week. So I thought this time I will definitely upload a video. If you have read the title, then you would know I'm going to review the Swiss Beauty Gel Mascara Lash and Brow. If you have been following me on my YouTube channel and if you have watched my previous hauls, I had shown this in one of the haul videos. I got this from Amazon and since then I have been using it and trying it, but I did not get a chance to film a review video. So this is it. Today I'm going to talk about the Swiss Beauty Gel Mascara. If you're interested in knowing more about this product, please keep on watching, and before you do that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to show your support. And yes, that's it for now. Let's get started. Alright, so let's start with the review right away. Like I said, I'm going to review the Swiss Beauty Gel Mascara. This is how it looks like and it says lash and brow. Now I have been looking for a clear mascara ever since, like from the past 2 to 3 years, and I think in the lockdown, since everybody started working from home, everybody has been putting minimal makeup. That's when this comes really handy. And I know there are other gel mascaras as well. There is one from Miss Claire which I wanted to buy ages ago, and that time it was very inexpensive, but now everything सब चीज़ का price बढ़ गया है. So I spotted this Swiss Beauty Gel Mascara. I never knew that it existed, and I generally like Swiss Beauty products. So when I saw it on Amazon, I immediately added it to my wish list and I went ahead and purchased it. Now the price of this gel mascara is 199 and you get 9 ml of product, and it has 4 years of shelf life. So isn't that amazing? Also it says that you can use it for your lash and brow, so इससे better क्या हो सकता है, right? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you a close-up shot of this product, so please stay tuned. And so this is how the packaging looks like. So it does come in this cardboard box, and this is how it looks like. It says Swiss Beauty Gel Mascara Lash and Brow, and here all information is mentioned, like the price and how much ml do you get. And here you would see that the expiry date and everything is mentioned. Also a little bit about the mascara, and it also mentions the ingredients, which is amazing. It does not have any funky ingredients from what I see, so I think this is really nice. Now let me show you the wand, how it looks like, and the whole tube. This is how it looks like, very nice, sleek and elegant, and nothing really fancy. Also the expiry date is mentioned on this, so really good. You do not have to save the box as such, and I'm going to show you how the wand looks like as well in a minute. Okay friends, so this is how the wand looks like. It has a swirl to it and it's quite spiky. Now when you apply this to your lashes, it will definitely separate your lashes, and that is why I like this wand, but I do not find it that great for the brow, so I will mention that in the video ahead. So yeah, for now this is how the packaging looks like. Okay, so in the close-up shot, I guess you may have figured out how the product looks like. So this is how it looks like. It comes in a transparent tube. Now the wand is really interesting, and this is how it looks like. It is very spiky and it has like a swirl to it. So it's really good for doing your brows and your eyes. Now I am really fond of this mascara because I rarely wear makeup. In fact, today I am not wearing any makeup except for a tinted lip balm because I wanted to keep this video like very fairly simple and just stick to the point as to what this product does. Now, if I have to show you my eyelashes, I do have amazing eyelashes, but they are all droopy. So I definitely need to use an eyelash curler, and I always have said this in my videos. कितना भी अच्छा मस्कारा हो, you definitely have to curl your lashes a bit if you have lashes like me. Can you see that they are not visible at all? But when I do the demo, you'll see that I have really long lashes. So the curling part is a problem and volume is a problem as well. This is a fairly simple mascara, and I'll just read out what is mentioned out here. Now it says Swiss Beauty Transparent Mascara is a clear gel which separates each lashes and also tames and set your eyelashes and eyebrow. It gives your lashes uh, it gives your lashes to hold the curl and give them definition you need. Now basically it's a clear mascara, so I would say do not expect a lot from it. What I'm first going to do is I'm going to curl, use the mascara and curl this left side of my lashes, and I'm coming really close to the camera for that so that it's visible to you guys. So the wand definitely does a good job in separating the lashes, as you can see. So this is how my eyelash looks like. Can you see that I have really long lashes? But I would say it's not really effective in what it says, like big claims. And I think that would be the same with any gel mascara. So this is without the mascara, this is with the mascara and without curling my eyelashes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to curl my eyelash this side and then going to apply the mascara, and we will see the difference. So I'm just using my eyelash curler. So I'm going to do this pumping effect, because otherwise my eyelashes will not stay curled for long. So I do it for a good 10 seconds. So can you see that my eyelashes just came alive? Oh my god, look at that. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this clear mascara and rub off the excess, and I'm just going to apply it. Can you see that? Oh my god. Okay friends, I'm coming really close to the camera now to just to show you the difference. So can you see that this looks more natural and this looks like more wawa boom kind of thing, and I really like this side better than this side, because my whole point of buying any mascara is that it should give me good volume. At the same time it should hold my curl for a longer period of time. So can you clearly see the difference? So you definitely need to use eyelash color, otherwise it will not show that much of an effect. Also the formula is very thin, so it just barely coats the lashes, so you'll have to go like 4 to 5 times. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to even do this side of my eye by curling my lashes and apply mascara, and I'm going to be right back. Okay friends, so this is how the final result is. Can you see that my eyelashes just came alive? Like wow, it looks amazing, isn't it? So if you want extra curling effect once you apply the mascara and once it dries down, you can definitely go back with your eyelash color and curl it again. So that way it will hold for a longer period of time. So I think it's really looking nice, and I'm really looking alive and awake right now. Now let's test the brow part. Now the thing with this mascara is, if you are going to use it and you're not going to apply any other mascara, then it's fine, you can use the same wand and apply it on top. But for hygiene purpose, I would say if you have a mascara wand, it would be better to use that. Also because my brows are little thinner, I do not find this brush really exciting and really helpful, but nonetheless now I'm going to show you. So I'm just trying to use this so that my hair stays in place. The formula is really wet, it's not very like thick or something. It kind of reminds me of aloe vera gel. I feel aloe vera gel would do a better job at doing the brows. Now as I have mentioned in my previous videos, I'm not very obsessed with my brows. I like to fill them in now because everybody does it, and I think I clearly need to fill them in because I have a lot of gaps in my brows. So what I've done is I have gone ahead and applied it to my brows. It kind of helps, but the gaps look more visible if you do not fill them in. Also if you will fill them in with a pencil and then use this same wand, the formula inside could kind of get muddy and brown and dirty. So you can then go ahead and use your spoolie, any spoolie that will have normal mascara वाला spoolie आता है, वो भी आप इसमें डिप कर सकते हो और यूज़ कर सकते हो, तो उस तरीके से ये प्रोडक्ट गंदा नहीं होगा, ब्राउन या ब्लैकिश कलर नहीं दिखेगा. So once you apply this, you have to allow it to dry, and then it kind of looks set. But if I have to give my honest opinion, I feel that it's okay for the brows. I would say it does only a good job when it comes to the eyelashes. So for me, this product is a hit when it comes to my eyelashes, like a mascara, but not so much for the brows. So yeah, this is what I think about this mascara, and this is how finally everything looks like. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. Okay guys, so finally what do I have to say about this mascara? I think it's really inexpensive. Swiss Beauty as a brand is amazing. Also it is cruelty free, and ever since I have used this mascara, I'm really happy with it. As I mentioned previously in the video that it's not that great when it comes to setting the brows. That's my personal opinion. I feel it doesn't do anything much. So you could either use your hairspray, or you can definitely invest in something which particularly says कि ये brows के लिए है, but you can still go ahead and use it if you have nothing. If you really want to try it, like if you're not going to fill your brows, then I think it should work fine. But I feel aloe vera gel would do a better job for the eyebrows. For the eyelashes, yes, I'm happy with how it looks. But like I said, and as you have seen in the demo, definitely guys invest in an eyelash color, and then go ahead and apply your clear mascara, and it will look amazing. Now when it comes to washing it off, I think it washes easily. इसके लिए कुछ सेपरेटली कुछ क्या बोलते हैं, मेकअप रिमूवर यूज़ करना ज़रूरी नहीं है, ये ऐसे ही निकल जाएगा. So I think overall I'm happy with this product, considering that it's only 199 and it gives my lashes the lift that it needs. And इसमें ज़्यादा कुछ केमिकल नहीं है, तो ये एवरीडे यूज़ के लिए परफेक्ट है. नाउ दैट एवरीबडी इज़ वर्किंग फ्रॉम होम and we are very conscious about our looks, and whether you go on social media or you do Zoom meeting, then this will really come handy. So my overall thought about this Swiss Beauty gel mascara lash and brows, that definitely guys you should give it a try. It's always available on discount, so do not buy it for the full price. I will link the product in the description box. So yes, this was my review. Okay friends, so that is a wrap for today. So this is how the Swiss Beauty gel mascara it looks on my eyes, like I have showed before. I think for the price of 199, it's really inexpensive, and it is perfect for all those who like a natural looking mascara like me and who want something for their brows. Like I have mentioned in the review, I'm not very impressed as to how it sets my brows, but for the eyelashes it's definitely a winner. So this was my review of the Swiss Beauty Gel Mascara. Have you guys tried it? Do you have any other recommendation for a clear mascara? Let me know in the comments section. Also, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, try and share my videos on your social media. This is it for now. I thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you soon in my next one. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.